Today's topic is how to check HANA database size in 5 minutes. So it is a very short topic, but it is very important. How to find the HANA database size. We can check it in 3 ways. One with SQL query. By hitting the SQL query, we can check the HANA database size as well. You can check it in login pad as well as you can call it as a GUI, graphical user interface. By hitting the DBACOCKPIT T code, by hitting the DBACOCKPIT T code, we can get the HANA DB size. And as well you can check it in HANA Studio as well. Now we'll see one by one with the SQL query. So first we need to switch to the application, then only we can find the DB size. So I'm switching to my DB5 EDM database. I'm switching. After that we need to connect to the hdbsql. I'm giving the system user the password. So this way we can connect to the hdbsql. After connecting the SQL, we need to give the command like this. Select star from m_services statistics. It will give you the all detailed data about memory and all, everything it is going to show to you, but it is difficult to find, right? In SQL we can get this kind of information, but this is very difficult to find. It will give you the all details. See here, memory, process memory, memory total, available memory, physical memory. So everything the memory related is showing, but by watching this we cannot find the actual database size, right? So we can find in login pad, the next one. So what is the T code to check? DBACOCKPIT, COCK, PAT is the DBACOCKPIT is the T code to check the HANA database size. So once you come here, you just click the current status and you just double click on overview. See, this way you can find the HANA database size. So this is overall GB. So on that this is occupied. Overall 27 you assume. So 14 GB is already occupied. So how many CPUs are there? 8 CPUs are there into the system. So we can observe the disk space as well. You can observe here. Data volume, log volume, the disk size, trace values, everything we can find in DBACOCKPIT. Even it is showing the database, database instance as well as the which host it is connected. This is database instance number. This is database SID. So these many things we can observe in DBACOCKPIT T code. And as well they can check another way as well. So that is HANA Studio. This is HANA Studio, right? So this is HANA Studio. So you just right click on it, go to configuration and monitoring, and then after just go to open administration. That's it. So in the overview tab you can find the HANA used memory. The same thing we can observe in, right? On 27 GB, the 14 GB is occupied. Like physical memory also it is showing on 30 GB, 4 GB is already there. So CPU usage this much. So even disk space also we can observe here. So this way we can check the HANA database size. 3 ways we can check, but most comfortable, like as per the user's perspective, as per the understanding purpose, we can check it in HANA Studio and as well as the DBACOCKPIT is the T code. These two things are very easy way to check. This is very small topic, but we should know how to check the database size. Then only we can communicate with the operating system. So if it is any lesser than the DB size, so we need to check with the OS team, like they are going to increase the databases. Thank you.